Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and if you are new here, then please hit the subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look with the Zodiac palette by Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. I wanted this palette for so long and recently I bought it, so I'm really happy to film with it today, and I hope that you enjoy watching this video. I'm starting with the color Libra on a Sigma E35 brush, and I'm blending this color into my crease. I don't really know how to explain this color. It's like a soft pinky mauvey color and it's perfect for your transition area. Next I'm going in with the Virgo. It's the dark brown color, and I'm taking it on a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm starting to pack this color onto my outer crease, and then I'm blending it also into my crease, just a little bit lower than the color we applied before. Then I'm going back in with the first color and the brush we used before, and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm going in with the color Cancer on a Sigma E58 brush, and I'm packing this color on to the inner part of my mobile lid. This color is a very pretty peachy color. I'm not sure if you can really see it here, but it's such a beautiful color and I have used it a ton since I got the palette. Now I'm going in with the Scorpio, which is a beautiful purple shadow, and I'm packing it on to the outer third of my mobile lid. Then I'm just softly blending these two colors together. Now I want to deepen up my outer corner a bit more, so I'm going in with the color Capricorn, which is a matte black shadow with a bit of glitter sparkles in it. But when you apply it to the eye, you can't really see the glitter sparkles, so it's just like a matte black shadow. I'm using the Sigma E34 brush. I'm just pressing this color onto my outer corner, and then I'm taking another brush, the Sigma E36 brush. It's a small blending brush, and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm going back in with the Libra. It's the first shadow we used on the Sigma E35 brush, and I'm blending over all the edges. Now I'm going to reapply the shimmer shadows to my lid, and I'm just taking them on my fingers. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the Virgo on a Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'm just softly blending it onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with the Capricorn, and I'm just deepening up the outer part of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Sigma E36 brush, and I'm blending over the edges. Now I want to add a bit more color to my lower lash line, so I'm taking the Scorpio and I'm applying it to the inner part of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the Cancer on a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm applying it to my inner corner and to my brow bone. I have have a new eyeliner from Makeup Geek. This one is in the color black and I'm applying it to my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my upper and my lower lashes and I'll be right back. Now here you can see the finished look. I really hope that you like it and that you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know down below in the comments if you want to see more looks with this palette. I think there will be definitely coming some more. I think I have to do a look with the color Piscus. It's this beautiful bright teal color and I think I need to use it because I love colors like this. So if you liked watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching and have an amazing day.